Welcome. This is Progressive Short Takes, and I'm your host, Joe Firestone. So, General Milley, the chair of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, has told us that in case of a dispute over the election, that it's the courts and Congress that will resolve the dispute, that the military will have no role. I think General Milley needs to say more. I think he has to address the situation in which President Trump insists on remaining in the White House in spite of the decisions of the courts and Congress declaring the election a legal, non-fraudulent election that was won fairly by Joe Biden, who is now the new president of the United States. I think that in that event, we have to know whether General Milley will uphold the Constitution by protecting the new president of the United States and by seeing to it that the former president of the United States is removed from the White House to make way for the new president of the United States. Such an answer is especially important right now. And it is because it appears that troops, police anyway, from the Department of Homeland Security seem to be obeying the president's directives to occupy local areas uninvited by local authorities in situations where their intervention is highly dubious. And those troops are coming in as secret police, unidentified in those particular situations. They're coming in and their conduct is questionable under U.S. law. Okay? It's in a gray area. They appear to be demonstrating that they are loyal to Donald Trump and not loyal to the Constitution in spite of their oaths. So we need to know whether in the end, General Milley and the U.S. military will be faithful to their oaths of office and will protect the United States and its Constitution and its new president against all enemies, domestic and foreign. Because in the scenario that I have just outlined, where the former president has Department of Homeland Security troops surround the White House to stop people who want to remove him from coming in to remove him, whether in that particular scenario the military will enforce its oath to the Constitution and will intervene on the side of the Constitution and the new legally inaugurated president to secure what will be the residence of that president for the next 4 years, so that in this case, Joe Biden would be able to move into the White House. We need to know that from the general. And I ask the Congress people who asked him to clarify what the role of the military would be, to ask him to clarify the military's role in that particular scenario as well. That is critically important, at this time. We need a military that is apolitical, that is neutral when it comes to the political parties, that is neutral when it comes to political issues. But we don't need a military that is neutral when it comes to the Constitution. We need a military that, if necessary, will enforce the Constitution and the laws of the United States against all enemies, domestic and foreign, including former presidents. So thank you very much. I'll be back again shortly with another short take. Thank you.